am at Big Lots, and let's take a quick look at their little clearance section over here. So this over here says Free and Wild, and this is reduced to $11.20. Okay, and that's what that looks like. Then over here, this is cracked though. I don't know how anybody sells stuff that's cracked. Okay, so this is $9.50. Then you have these glasses here in the gold, which I'm absolutely loving these. These will make such nice, they're marked out as 4 for $8, so they're $2 a piece. I love that gold. Okay, so then this looks like a coaster, and it's marked down to $6.99, guys. And then here's a pineapple, $4 and something, but I can't really read all of it. Some of the gold is taken off. What are these? $3.50 for these word icons. Then you have some of these wax melts and cinnamon roll, $1.99. Then we have some of these utensils. I think these were here the last time, so they marked them down to 8, and then now they're marked down to 4. So let's come over here. So these cookie cutters, guys, are marked down to 8. You get 24, and they're marked down to $8.80. And then these bath bombs are $2.50. So this faux plant right here is $12, but the sticker, the markdown sticker, is not on there. So this looks like it's for the bathroom, and this was marked down to $6.99, guys. That's not a, I don't know, that's not a sale. This is an audio cable for $4.20, and here's an iPhone cover for $7. So then over here you have these, well, it looks like it's from Winter. So this is marked down. These are fizzers, and it's marked down to $1. Okay, and these have things missing. Like, I just don't get why people sell stuff if there's stuff missing in the package. So here it says rose the day away, why not, with the stopper. So this was marked down to 15, and these paper plates, I don't know why they're placed here. So these placemats, they're rubber. These are $1.99, and then this is marked down. These headphones are marked down to $10.50, guys. Then they have, I don't know, this lap putty is $4, and then this bath rug is $10.99. I like the quality, but $10.99, I don't know if that's a sale. Okay, it says missing pieces. Like, really? It's missing pieces to this set. So this set here originally was $40. They only marked it down to $30. So here's a runner, and that's $15. And these are dog leashes. I mean, no, dog collars. Those are $3.50. And then these runners, so this is gray. That's $15. Here it is in the navy blue. Okay, and that's all they have in that. Then they have the round fabric tablecloth for $9.80, and here are the mattress protectors. Those are $7. And I think this is queen, and that one's full. And then here is a tier valance set for $9, and there it is in that color. So then they have the extension cords here. How much are these? $1.90. You can get these for $1 at Dollar Tree, guys. Yeah, it's nothing really special about those. Okay, so these are $6.40 for that can opener right there. I don't know about that brand. So this is 70-inch round fabric tablecloth, and let me see. This is marked down to $9.99, and looks like they're all the same. Okay, right here. Then you have these. Isn't this pretty? It's so happy. So this is $10.50, and these are table runners. Look at them. Then you have these, the beautiful, glorious fall. So those things are, those are marked down to $4.90. So this one says beautiful, glorious fall, and that one says autumn greeting. Beautiful, glorious fall. And then these are glass. I like these glass ones. So I don't know if the glass ones are less. So let me look. $2.99, but I'm really liking that. Okay. Then you have these placemats. Oh look, these placemats have little tassels on the end, and so do the runners. The placemats say Aloha, and what do they mark down to? They're not marked down, they just say $4. Okay, they're beautiful though. And here's Hello Summer, and they're $4. So these are not marked down, guys. And let's move over here. So now these candle holders over here marked down to $7, guys. Then this mug, I think that was just placed there. So this one says Rise and Shine, this shadow box, and it's $10. So they have 2 of those. Then if you look over here, this thankful mug here is $3.20. That one is missing a glass. No, it's missing a glass. And that's $20.70. You see that, guys? Really? 1 glass missing. I don't know, that's expensive. Okay, this one says Summer Vibes. This was marked down to $4.80. And then this cactus mug is $3.20. Then you have this cup, this sippy cup, Zach, and it's $8. And look at here's another one of the cactus mugs. And then look at the dog one, isn't that cute? That's marked down to $4. Then I'm not really sure if this is a little bathroom pail, but these washcloths are nice quality though. I like them. Let's see if these have a price. Yeah, $3.99, but the quality is really nice, guys. Then they have these over here. I think I showed you this last time I came. This is $7. Then they have these things up here. I showed you this too. This is from Christmas, I think. These are marked down to $16. Okay, so here's Snoopy. I don't know. The Christmas Vacation and the Elf. So here you have these rugs. These are nice rugs. I like these rugs. How much is that marked down to? Okay, this one is marked down to $3.99, guys. Then they have this over here. What is that? That's message dartboard, $7.50 from $15. Then they have this toy over here, $14.99. Isn't that expensive, guys? What is that? It's an animal hoodie. Okay. All right. So then they have this throw over here for $6.99. I like how that feels. Then they have this cactus painting. Well, it looks like a shadow box. $10.50. Then they have this wooden flower arrangement box. Let's see. $9.99 for $5.99. Oh, look, they have the shadow box over here. Oh, look, with the bicycle. Okay, there it is. So this doesn't have a price on it, guys. So now the gold frames back here, these are $4.99. I don't want to drop one. $10.50. And like I said, these wooden flower ones, some of these have missing wooden flowers, but I don't see a tag. These look kind of nice. So these is from Tuscan Villa, and that one is marked down to $13.99 from $20. And here you have some more throws in the back, and this clock. I don't know if this clock is working right, but it's $10.50. Then you have those lanterns right there, $7.99. Some more of these mattress protectors for $6. Those over here are $11.99, and they come in that style. This one's a little bit smaller, so this is $7.99. But I'm really liking these. Aren't these really pretty, guys? Let me see. Those are $9.80. Those are real pretty. Then these, I think they're pots. Yeah, they are. The ceramic, $12.49. And that's pretty much it. They have a very small clearance section, at least at this Big Lots. So guys, I hope you guys are having an awesome day, and I'll see you in the next video.